Tarifa 2020. Oh man, where do I even begin? Let's just say that this trip didn't go exactly as planned. What started off as high expectations for epic action, landscapes, and adventure turned into quite the opposite. But with every experience comes a story. And it doesn't mean that this trip was lacking one either. Because here, every moment spoke for itself. So let's go back to the start. I flew out to Tarifa on a last-minute booking because of the epic upcoming forecast. Everything was arranged. I had my good friend Ricardo waiting for me, a place to stay, and some mega wind on its way. Most of all, I was ready to sail again after half a year of barely being on the water from a broken hand. So when the wind came, we were ready. Tarifa. What a beautiful place. It's hard to say I've been anywhere in Europe that reminded me so much of the California coastline. The only difference, you could see Morocco on the other side of the channel, making the ocean feel more like a deep blue river rather than the never-ending horizon that it normally is. The town may be small, but it sure has character. And there we were, going around like nothing could affect us. Surfing, skating, hiking, taking pictures. I had come out here on such high expectations. I wanted to see it all, experience this place in the best way I could. Every day we were up to something different, with not a care in the world. And that's when it hit. Spain went into lockdown faster than we ever could have expected. Right now we're stuck in Tarifa, Spain because of the quarantine due to COVID-19. And we just found out this morning that the quarantine will be extended for another 15 days. But the days would fly and hours felt like minutes. Before we knew it, we were already locked in for 6 weeks. Feeling trapped like rats in a cage, we tried to keep our minds off of it by getting busier and busier. Studying, cooking, working out, you name it. And I can almost guarantee you we did it. And that takes us to today. Locked in and hoping to get out soon. Looking back on all of the good times that I had in the short amount of time that I was outside, Tarifa left a great impression on me, but it'll definitely be impossible to forget my first journey here. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. See you guys next time.